people, all the people out there putting in work on the fields, making sure everybody got lettuce, tomato, and everything for burgers and all that crazy stuff. But today we got the little parade with my boy Con Estilo. We're gonna be linking up with. I got done washing the truck a little bit ago. When I was throwing some tire shine, my truck was actually wiggling a little bit. So I went ahead and I looked last night, and it looked like one of my bushes was fixing to go out. So I feel it's moving a little bit. So I was like, damn, but I can't get that fixed till Monday because I gotta order the bushings and I gotta, do this and that. And it's Sunday, like I said, and ain't no one wanna work on Sunday, so I'm not even gonna, put that burden on nobody. And especially today, man, today's nothing but a flexing, chilling day. But yeah, so we're gonna order the bushings and get it fixed. I still am, but as I was cleaning the wheels and I was putting that tire shine to get that thing to shine real quick, man, I seen part of it had a little ball. And I was nah, man, I can't be riding around like that. Don't get me wrong, I'll thug it out if the little bushing's messed up and I'll ride through it. Don't get me wrong, man, this is hood shit. And how can you be doing hood shit if you're not even actually doing hood rat shit? You feel me? So, man, like I said, man, we dug it out till this thing falls off. I have no problem riding it, putting on a show, and then fixing the problems when we come back. Just do it all for the people. But this tire now, man, because I think it just blow the fucking fender off. Been there, done that with other cars. I'm trying to get to the tire shops with the ball on it. So I gotta basically ride real slow right now. It is 9:30. I'm trying to leave the house by at least 10:30 so I can be over there by 11 so I can start getting footage and get a good little spot where we're actually meeting up at. So yeah, we on the way right now to go get this tire changed real quick. Hopefully we can find a tire shop that's open on a Sunday. Like I said, it is Sunday. So we'll see what happens and we'll see what the day brings. It's about to be, a good day. The fam's getting ready right now. Everybody's eating, getting ready. I should have got a drink already, honestly. But yeah, we're gonna get on cloud 9 right now and just chill and see if we can get this tire, put on. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what's good with this tire real quick, and then I'll pick up the camera and I'll inform you what's going on. But stay tuned, subscribe, and watch the whole video because this video is gonna be lit. This video is gonna be very lit. So, keep it Mexican. So we at the tire shop right now. Look, I keep it real with everybody, man. Look, here's what's going on. I don't know if you can see how it dips. That tire is so we're here real quick. We're gonna see if it can get fixed. And now we gotta go to another tire shop. But don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. That thing is wet. I gotta finish cleaning it, but I ran into that detour. All right, so we're here. They're fixing to change out the tire. You can't even tell right there, but right here, man, that thing is f***ed up, nigga. It's just right there in that little section right there. So, alright, bro's gonna get to work. Shout out to Tires and Accessories. And they close. Where I live to get this tire. We're trying to chill today. And do what you gotta do.
won't do it. He won't do it.